For my new video, today we will draw something related to water and flowers. So first of all, we take two colors. We mix blue and white color together and we will form a color light blue shade for the water. And as you can see how much is satisfying it is look like. Ta-da! It is the final look after painting the blue shade. Now we will use the yellow shade. I will mix the two shades together again, blue and yellow, to form a green shade for the leaves. As you can see, first of all, slightly mix them together. You don't have to add much yellow shade, but it is easily visible. You can easily make a green shade, light green shade for the leaves. Paint the leaf green. The green looks so cute, and I painted while differently. While using acrylic paint, try to avoid using too much water in it, because that's why the color changes mostly. Mostly people do it like they add after painting one leaf or second leaf, they add so much water in the brush, so the color change and it becomes too much light shade of that color. So that's the problem mostly people face it. But I'm not using too much water, I'm just using the paint. And after that we will use the white color to paint the lilies. And first time drawing the painting the lilies. So lilies are cute flowers and you can draw it easily, so use it carefully and make it a beautiful lilies you want to paint. Now look at the details of this painting. The lilies and the leaves look so gorgeous if you look carefully. Then here's the final look. Thank you for watching.